Back again. Second time. People tend to look at me with the same damn look. Don't you see that I'm already in my head shook? Don't you see that I'm ready to make sure that you get this right hook to your face, your big disgrace? Don't come with me, nothing that shame. Get the fuck about my place. I don't want you to see up in my face. Get the hell about my ear, man. I'm not trying to hear anything that you're saying to me. I just don't care. See, I got a different mentality. Most people come at me and try to rap battle me. People say that I rap, but I really don't. I kind of just rhyme to a beat, and I don't think that I just belong on these streets, because I just don't think that I belong at the really tip of top. But the only thing is, I'm never gonna stop. See, the definition of insanity is doing the same thing, expecting different things and outcomes. Because how come I'm the only one of my kind that I'm in my own goddamn mind? See, I don't even got a right line. I just do this all the time. Within my mind I just rhyme, cause I am in the insane brain with my spit personality. Don't you see that I am also scarcity? Don't try to step to me, cause I'll probably be the last thing that you see. Cause it's probably the best thing if you don't step to me. Back the hell up, I promise that you won't get stomped out tonight. I promise, don't make any promises that I can't keep. But it's probably the best thing if I just take you to space. See, I promise that I won't disgrace your name, cause I'll probably do whatever it would take to obtain fame. Didn't I already tell you that I'm insane? Do the shame shit twice. If you haven't heard it before, then don't be rude, be nice. Cause it's probably the ice cold shit, better colder than ice. Cause I am the one who will speak with spice and pepper. Don't you see that I will always remember where you are, where you live, and where you think, and where you go. Going hard so far, gonna have to pick it back up. Don't you see that I've already had enough? Barely 7:45, I don't think I have to strive to go and get a better life. Maybe even a wife, even a kid or two. Don't you see that I'm through? I'm already doing more things out of my life than I have than you. See, I'm not even angry, I'm kinda just rapping. Don't you see that I'm just asleep napping? I can lay down right now into my bed, let all the stories unfold and tell you through my head, telepathically, right through my mouth. Don't you see that I'm already getting the gout because I'm tripping over my own 2 feet when I'm stepping to these streets on these beats? These are all these strange things that I've never rapped to before. So I'm already new to this, so I just gotta go and walk through the door. See, I'm pretty sure the beat's gonna drop and come right back, but it's not gonna happen. I think it's just gonna stay like that.